Welcome to the Easiklip installation guide. Easiklip is a real hardwood flooring system designed to make installation simple, clean, and approachable for homeowners. Unlike traditional hardwood flooring, Easiklip does not require nails or glue. The boards connect using a unique clip system that locks the floor together while still allowing natural movement of the wood. Easiklip flooring can be installed over both concrete and wood subfloors, making it suitable for basements, main floors, and renovation projects. Before starting the installation, we first measure the room and decide which direction the flooring should run. In many cases, running the boards along the longest visible direction of the room creates the cleanest and most spacious look. Next, we create a straight reference line for the first row along the wall. In our case, we are also aligning the flooring with the end of the garage to keep the installation visually straight and consistent. Before laying the flooring, the subfloor should be clean, dry, and level. The surface variation should not exceed 3/16 of an inch within a 10-foot radius. For concrete installations, a moisture barrier and foam underlayment are required. In this setup, we are using an all-in-one underlayment with integrated moisture protection. The underlayment also helps reduce sound and adds comfort under the floor. Now we are ready to begin installation. The Easiklip system uses aluminum clips attached underneath each board. The boards are installed from right to left, beginning from the right-hand corner of the room. Depending on the board length, short boards use 2 clips, medium boards use 3 clips, long boards use 4 clips. The clips should be positioned approximately 4 to 5 inches from each end of the board. Each new plank is inserted at approximately a 45-degree angle and gently pushed down until it clicks into place. During installation, we maintain a 5/8-inch expansion gap around all walls and fixed surfaces. This gap allows the hardwood flooring to naturally expand and contract with seasonal humidity changes. As the installation continues, the joints between boards should remain staggered for strength and stability. To cut boards to length, we are using a circular saw for straight cuts and a jigsaw for smaller detail cuts and adjustments near the doorway. One of the advantages of the Easiklip system is how quickly the installation progresses once the first rows are properly aligned. The process remains clean, quiet, and straightforward compared to many traditional hardwood flooring methods. After the flooring is installed, the expansion gap near the walls is covered using baseboards or quarter-round trim. These finishing pieces create a clean final appearance while still allowing the floor to move naturally underneath. For open floor edges or transitions to concrete or another flooring type, a reducer molding can be installed. This helps create a smooth transition between surfaces while protecting the flooring edge and maintaining a professional, finished look. With proper preparation and careful installation, Easiklip provides a simple way to achieve the beauty of real hardwood flooring with a system designed for modern home installation.